In the vast expanse of mythical landscapes, where legends roam as freely as the creatures within them, the griffin stands as a majestic amalgam of majesty and might. With the body of a lion and the wings and head of an eagle, this iconic beast embodies the virtues of the kings of beasts and the rulers of the skies. Today, we embark on a speculative journey into the natural history of the griffin, visualizing it through the lens of our world's ecology and animal behavior. This exploration invites us to imagine how the griffin, if it were to exist alongside our known wildlife, would interact with the ecosystems we are familiar with. How would this formidable predator hunt, survive, and thrive? From the soaring heights of its mountainous eyries to the vast territories it might dominate, join us as we delve into the life cycle, habits, and ecological role of the griffin, blending the fantastical elements of mythology with the plausible realities of nature. In the myths where the griffin reigns, its origins are as majestic as the creature itself. Legend has it that griffins are born from eggs, much like their avian counterparts, the eagles. These eggs, in golden hues and larger than any known birds, are said to be nestled high atop mountain crags or hidden within the hollows of ancient, unreachable forests. The circumstances of their birth weave tales of divine intervention. Some say griffins are the chosen guardians of sacred treasures, brought to life by the gods themselves to protect the divine or mystical realms. In the wild, the nurturing of these mythical beasts can be imagined as a blend of the traits of eagles and lions. Like eagles, griffin parents will be fiercely protective of their nests, situated in high, secluded ledges. They will teach their young to master the skies, soaring on thermals as they learn the art of flight. From the lion's legacy, griffin young will inherit traits of pride and prowess. The parents will guard them diligently until they develop the strength and cunning required to fend for themselves. This dual heritage will make the training of a young griffin a sight to behold, feathers ruffling in the wind as they practice pouncing under the watchful eyes of their lion-hearted protectors. As they grow, these magnificent creatures will undergo dramatic transformations, from fluffy hatchlings emerging with oversized talons and tiny wings, to formidable juveniles, learning to harness their combined aerial and terrestrial abilities. The development of their wings and the sharpening of their talons and beaks will mark key milestones in their journey to adulthood. Each stage of growth will bring them closer to the legendary form known and feared in human folklore, the ultimate protector whose very presence signifies strength and vigilance. The griffin's diet is as formidable as its appearance. Combining the predatory instincts of both its lion and eagle halves, the griffin is imagined to be a versatile and powerful hunter. Capable of consuming a diet that ranges from large prey like deer and wild boars to smaller animals such as rabbits and birds, the griffin's dietary habits showcase its dual nature. Employing hunting strategies that take advantage of its strength and aerial prowess, a griffin might use a blend of the eagle's aerial dives and the lion's stalking techniques. Imagine a creature swooping down from the skies with the silent precision of an eagle, then using the powerful muscles of its lion half to overpower and subdue large prey on the ground. This combination of tactics would make the griffin an apex predator in its mythical habitat. When it comes to feeding behavior, the griffin's habits can be speculated to vary depending on its environment and the social structure of its kind. If griffins live in groups, they might share large kills, similar to how lions operate with their prides. In contrast, solitary griffins, much like many birds of prey, would consume their catch alone. This might often occur in the relative safety of their lofty nests or hidden lairs, where they can eat without threat from scavengers or rivals. This fascinating blend of hunting and feeding behaviors not only highlights the griffin's dominion over its territory, but also its adaptability in the mythical ecosystems where it might dwell. Whether soaring through the skies in search of prey or guarding its latest catch on the ground, the griffin embodies the pinnacle of mythical predatory evolution. In the imagined world where griffins roam, These majestic creatures would likely favor environments that cater to both aspects of their nature. With their avian wings and predatory prowess, griffins are envisioned as rulers of expansive, diverse territories. The preferred habitats for griffins would include mountainous terrains, where the high cliffs offer secluded and secure locations for their nests. These elevated perches provide an excellent vantage point for surveillance of the surrounding areas and for launching into flight. Additionally, the open plains and dense forests would serve as prime hunting grounds, where these creatures could utilize their keen eyesight and powerful flight muscles to track and hunt a variety of prey. When considering the territorial behavior of griffins, one might imagine them to be highly territorial, akin to lions, protecting their chosen domain fiercely from intruders. The size of these territories could be vast, encompassing several square miles, ensuring enough space for hunting and raising their young. Alternatively, the eagle aspect of their nature could inspire more nomadic tendencies. To thrive in such diverse and sometimes harsh environments, griffins would require a suite of survival adaptations. Keen eyesight would be paramount, allowing them to spot prey from great distances while soaring high above the ground. Their powerful flight muscles would enable swift, extended flights over varied landscapes, while strong limbs and sharp talons would be crucial for capturing and subduing their prey. These adaptations would not only make them formidable predators, but also key players in their ecological niches, impacting the dynamics of their habitats. The hypothetical existence of griffins in these habitats paints a vivid picture of ecological balance, where every adaptation and behavior plays a critical role in their survival and dominance. Their social structure remains a topic of intriguing speculation. Drawing on the nature of their lion and eagle aspects, we might imagine griffins as displaying a mix of both solitary and social behaviors. Considering their eagle-like qualities, griffins could be predominantly solitary, meeting only during specific times like mating season. However, echoing their lion lineage, they might also form pairs or small family groups, particularly when raising their young. These groups would likely be tightly knit, with both parents involved in the nurturing and protection of their offspring, a behavior that would be crucial in the harsh environments they inhabit. The mating rituals of griffins, if they were to mirror the dramatic courtship displays of eagles, could involve intricate aerial acrobatics, with both partners soaring and diving in a dance that tests their agility and strength. Nesting behaviors would likely involve the construction of large, secure nests on inaccessible cliffs or tall trees, using their powerful talons to arrange materials. Beyond their immediate family dynamics, griffins, as apex predators, would have a profound impact on the ecosystems they inhabit. Their presence would help regulate the populations of larger herbivores, preventing overgrazing and maintaining the health of the vegetation. Meanwhile, their predatory nature might also create competitive pressures on other top carnivores, influencing the overall biodiversity of their territories. Thus, the ecological role of griffins would be multifaceted. As predators, they would be key players in maintaining ecological balance, but as mythical creatures of immense power, their interactions with other species could also introduce unique dynamics into the food chain. Imagining such a creature in our natural world helps us appreciate the delicate balance of ecosystems and the critical roles played by predators in maintaining the diversity and health of their environments. As we conclude our imaginative journey through the life and ecology of the griffin, we are reminded of the powerful allure of mythical creatures and the insights they offer into human culture and natural history. By envisioning the griffin as a real entity, we explore a fascinating intersection of mythology and ecology, where legendary narratives meet ecological science to enrich our understanding of both. So, what do you think the world would be like if creatures like the griffin actually roamed our mountains and forests? How would their presence shape the landscapes and the animal kingdoms we are familiar with? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if there's another mythical creature you'd like us to explore through the lens of the natural world, Let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking journeys into the realm of myths and nature.